9 Ways to attract your crush without saying a single word. You already know that body language plays a big part in attracting women, but we often forget as to how we can leverage body language to attract women or our crush towards us. Correct use of body language can definitely make a lot of difference in your life. That's because before you approach a woman and start a conversation with her, she has already studied your body language and partly made up her mind about you. So, you see, your approach can go either way. Your crush can suddenly have a different point of view about you. She can magically come under the impression that you like her. That's exactly how you'll attract her towards you, but that's not it. There is more drama to the story. Subscribe my YouTube channel to get more amazing video like this. Here are some hacks you can use to make your body language a lot more attractive towards women. 1. Always face her. You want to show that you're interested in her, so your face should face her always. Always. We aren't asking you to stare, but you shouldn't seem uninterested, and looking away will make you look so. Obviously, when you're talking to her, you have to face her, but don't turn around once you're done talking. Just generally turn towards her direction, so she is subconsciously aware of your presence and your interest. 2. Hold a strong posture. Women are naturally attracted to strong, confident men. Since inherently women look at men as protectors and usually gauge their exterior and the way they contain themselves is. Always hold your posture and stand straight. Don't slouch or hunch and seem too relaxed. This gives off a sense of defeat and anxiety to the woman, like you've given up. Stand tall and look confident. 3. Make eye contact whenever you can. 4. Good eye contact can be a turn-on for a lot of women, but you don't have to stare, you have to make eye contact. Use your charm on her. Eyes are like the tongue of the mind, and they help establish a good amount of contact before you start a conversation. Make sure though, you don't start staring at her creepily while making eye contact. Keep her within your gaze, but look away time to time. 4. Your shoulders talk too. If your shoulders are slumped, you mostly look bored, uninterested, nervous and scared. None of it is attractive for a woman. In fact, it's far off from attractive. Push back your shoulders and you will instantly look really confident. Maybe raise your shoulders a couple of times. That's an indication of how sweet and sensitive you can be. 5. Stand your ground, literally. During a conversation, if she leans forward or takes a step towards you, don't back away. Either move forward in her direction or stand your ground. If you move back, she may think you're not interested or you're a bit closed, and she might withdraw thereon. 6. Eyebrows are a giveaway. Many of you didn't know this, but your eyebrows play a big part in how women perceive your body language. If you raise them too high while in a conversation with her, you might seem too rude. If they're raised too low, you might seem annoyed. If you don't raise them at all, you'll obviously seem bored, with that stoic expression on your face. Make sure to know how to emote through your eyebrows. Just raise them enough so she knows you're genuinely interested in what she's saying. 7. Don't force a smile. Sometimes you may need to force a smile in order to show you're having fun in a conversation. In many cases that can backfire, because while women may be talking, they're always paying attention to your face and the expression. Fostering a fake smile can be a drastic giveaway through your eyes. A genuine smile or a laugh lights up your eyes, but a fake one leaves the eyes as they are, not making it a part of the rest of your face. 8. Lips are sexual. There might be undeniable sexual chemistry between the two of you, and if you really want to establish that, you should touch your lips often when you're talking to her. Lips are the first sexual connection you'll have with a woman. When you touch or lick your lips subtly, she instantly gets drawn to them. So if you want her to kiss you, be discreet about touching your lips and don't do it too often. That's just creepy. 9. She notices you as you fix yourself. If you're adjusting your hair or clothes around her, she'll naturally know you're interested in her since you're taking the trouble to groom yourself, right in front of her. Obviously, it makes her realize that you're interested in her. It also shows her that you care about your appearance and you like taking care of yourself. So if you get a chance, fix yourself in front of her, do it. Maybe fix your tie or your hair or even your shirt. Don't do it often though. Once is enough, but make sure she's looking. Studying body language is a completely different science altogether, and it's fairly noticeable if you really pay attention. Body language also makes auto-suggestions in one's mind, and stays in the subconscious. That's when one decides whether or not the person is worth the attention. It's a subtle art, but it's very important, and once you have all the gestures down to the T, you have your chance to attract the girl you've been crushing on. Now you know what you need to do in order to attract the woman you're presently crushing on. So, don't wait up, make the first move silently via your body language.
Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment in this video.